Temperature 17 Celsius. 2.2 Celsius. Altimeter 2997. Remarks.
Lake Havasu traffic, be advised, taxiway Alpha under construction between Alpha 3 and Alpha 6. Alpha 4 and Alpha 5 connectors are closed. Men and equipment in and around the area. Due to back taxiing necessity on the runway, we ask that no touch and goes are conducted during this phase of construction. Lake Havasu traffic.
Lake Havasu City Airport, automated weather observation 1442 Zulu weather, wind 080 at 5, visibility more than 10, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature 17 Celsius, 2.2 Celsius, altimeter 2.
We good?
9.
Pitter patter. All right. Lake Havasu traffic, Twin Cessna 274 Mike Romeo. At Desert Skies, we'll be taxiing out 32 Lake Havasu. Make sure we didn't hit those guys with their prop blast.
Lake Havasu traffic, orange cup about 12 to the southwest, still showing about 7 minutes to the field or so.
Roger, we'll keep an eye out for you.
If you want to go all the way to the east-west side and fly it back to the east, I don't care.
Okay.
That's something you'd rather do?
It'll make it, well, it'll help us climb, because we've got to go up to what, 13? Almost, probably a little higher. Lake Havasu traffic, Twin Cessna 274 Mike Romeo. We'll be performing a run-up in the pad here at the end of 3-2. Lake Havasu. Cabin doors closed and locked. Controls. Seatbelts on and secure. Seatbelts secured and fastened.
Lake Havasu traffic, the two orange Cubs are 2,000 and 2,500 feet, just crossing the approach end of 3-4 at Chemehuevi, going to be making right downwind entry for land at 1-4 up on the northeast end for my Havasu area.
Uh-oh. That's not going to be a factor. We'll be out of here first. Ready to go. And Lake Havasu traffic, Twin Cessna 274 Mike Romeo. We'll go ahead and depart runway 32. We're going to depart to the east for you guys.
No, we're going to the west.
We're going to just climb straight out and then make a right turn to the east.
Actually, correction, I'm going to make a left turn out, but we're going to be pretty far outside your turn radius.
Okay, sounds good. We're crossing the river at the north end of the lake, and we'll be looking for you.
Roger that. I'll look for you as well. And Lake Havasu traffic, Twin Cessna 274 Mike Romeo, departing runway 32, and left turn out, Lake Havasu.
And the Cubs have the Twin Cessna in sight. We're 1,700 feet, descending, maneuvering close in, so not a factor for you.
Roger that. I don't have you guys yet, so I'll climb out a little bit before I make my left turn.
Yeah, you're good anytime. We're below pine.
Roger that. Lake Havasu traffic, Twin Cessna 274 Mike Romeo, climbing through 1,700. We'll make a left turn out to the west, Lake Havasu.